How to apply for a job in Walmart online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can apply for jobs in Walmart online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to apply for jobs in Walmart online, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now, if this is a bit confusing for you, I'm going to leave a direct link down in the description box below. Otherwise, what you can do is just go to careers.walmart.com. So I repeat again, careers.walmart.com. As I said, if this is confusing, I'll also make sure to drop a link. This is a place where you can simply apply for any type of jobs in Walmart. So if you're looking to apply for jobs in Walmart, you just need to come to this website over here. Just make sure to enter careers.walmart.com. Then once you've done this, you can simply search for the position or maybe the job title that you're seeking. And once you've done that, tap the search button. If there is a vacancy that is currently opening, you can simply fill in the form, fill that vacancy, and your job application will be posted, and you'll soon hear back from Walmart if they think that you are applicable. This way you can apply for a job in Walmart online. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.